doing these days?
I am planning a holiday to Samosir Island with my family. We are preparing everything this week.
That's funny. I'm also arranging a trip to Samosir and talking to my cousin who lives near October right now.
What a coincidence! I'm joining a backpacking group and we are heading to Samosir this week too. Wow! Everyone is going to Samosir. I'm booking a guest house. We speak the review are really good.
My sister is helping my find local place to eat. We are making a list of my try foods.
I'm reading about Samosir right now. Inside the island is really peaceful and full of photos.
Here, my friends and I are learning fires and making our blends in English. We are also renting motorcycle to explore the island. I'm also buying new clothes for the trip. The winter there is with school right.
Yes, it is. That's why I am bringing a jacket and some warm clothes.
I'm checking the weather forecast every day. It looks like it's going to be sunny all weekend.
We are preparing a small tent just in case